I am Anilata. I teach competitive English. Today we are going to start a new topic which is very important to you, especially in exams. Already we discussed about present tense in voice, right? Today we are going to learn what are the rules in past tense to change active voice into passive voice. Let us start the topic now, okay? If you like my video, please share it to your friends. If you want some more information from me, please subscribe my channel. While I am saying rules, please make a note if possible. These are very helpful to you in exams. Now, in simple past, was or were plus V3 is the rule. Let us see the example. She chose a pair of shoes. She chose a pair of shoes. She is the doer. A pair of shoes is the sufferer. Okay. Chose is V2. If you observe V2 here, that's it. You have to decide. It is simple past. In this way, you have to verify your answer. If you have any 4 options here, you have to understand with help of doer and sufferer. After doer and sufferer, if you observe carefully what is the verb form, that's enough. You can conclude the answer. Now, what is the rule to change active voice into passive voice? Doer will be sufferer, sufferer will be doer. I mean, we have to exchange the positions of doer and sufferer. A pair of shoes. A pair in the sense it comes under singular. So, for singular we have to use was. A pair of shoes was chosen. Chosen. It is V3. We have to use V3 as the verb form, especially in voice. By her. Let me tell you one more thing. Subjective forms changed into objective forms in this way. I as me. She as her. It as it. He as him. These are all very important things that you should learn. Okay? We as us, they as them, you as you. You and it wouldn't be changed. Okay? Now, let us see second example. Raghava brought pencils from the market. Here, what he brought? Pencils. So, it becomes sufferer. Raghava is the doer. Who is doing here that work? Raghava. Raghava brought pencils from the market. So, sufferer will be in doer's position, doer will be in sufferer's position. In this way. Pencils. Pencils. Which type of noun it is? Plural or singular? Pencils, plural only, we know that. For plural, we have to use were. Pencils were brought by Raghava from the market. These are all very important things that you should learn. Now, let us see the third example. My friend published some books. Some books. Books in the sense plural. Some books. It comes under sufferer. Because he published. Published is V2 again. My friend is the doer here. In this way we have to change some books were, because it is plural, were published by my friend. So friends, if you observe carefully, V2 is the only verb form. If we observe in the sentence, especially in voice, simply we have to use was or were. After that we should use V3. That's it. We are going to enter into another rule. Let me repeat this example clearly, with clarity. Raghava brought pencils from the market. Don't think that we have so much of things to change like that. we have to identify first doer and sufferer only. That doer and sufferer should be exchanged their positions. Remaining part will be copied as it is in this way. Pencils were brought by Raghava from the market. It won't be changed. Okay? Now let us see another example. Now the topic is past continuous. In past continuous, was and were are the helping verbs. We know that. V1 plus ing is the verb form. We know that. But here the rule is was or were plus being plus V3. When you see continuous form, you have to keep being to change active voice into passive voice. This is the main important rule. The farmers were sowing seeds. So V1 is sow, sowed is V2, sown is V3. Now we have worked with V3, sown. Okay. Seeds are the sufferer. The farmers, doer. We have to extend the positions of doer and sufferer. Seeds were, because it is plural, seeds were being sown by the farmers. Okay. In this way we have to change. See the second example. The gardener was watering the plants. Don't think that water is the noun, right? How can we change it as verb? Sometimes it may behave like that. Okay, we may come this type of bits also. So you have to observe carefully. Is it suitable to voice or not? If it is voice, how to change it? You have to observe like that. Okay. The gardener was watering the plants, in the sense plants comes under sufferer, the gardener, doer. We have to extend the positions. The plants were being watered by the gardener. Okay. See the third example. Watered is V3. Someone was reading the Ramayana. The Ramayana is the sufferer. Someone is doer. Here, when someone is mentioned, that person is unknown. We don't know who is that person. Then there is no need to mention doer in the sufferer's position. Actually, here the Ramayana was being read by someone. Who is that person? We don't know. So, no need to mention by someone. The Ramayana was being read. What is the work done is to be mentioned there. That's the most important thing. Okay? Now the topic is past perfect. In past perfect, two actions already completed in the past and had is the only helping verb. V3 is the verb form. When two actions completed one after one, those two actions can be expressed in this tense, past perfect. So, what is the rule in past perfect to change active voice into passive voice? Let us see. Had been plus V3. In present perfect, has or have plus been plus V3. In past perfect, had plus been plus V3. You have an advantage in this. What is that advantage? Let me tell you. There is no need to change anything except doer and sufferer. After that, after the helping verb, if you keep being, V3 will be copied in the same way. If you observe this helping verb in the exam, just do one thing. Exchange the positions of doer and sufferer and keep had after V3. Okay, had been plus V3 in this way. This is the very easiest thing that you can do in the exam. Okay, the players had won the match. The players, doer, won, V3. The match, suffer. Okay, then we have to change, we have to exchange the positions of doer and sufferer. The match had been won by the players. Let us see second example. The children had eaten all the cakes. Okay. So all the cakes, in sense, the cakes, sufferer, the children, doer. The cakes had been eaten by the children. Here, if it is singular or plural, we don't bother. One and only helping verb, had. That is the advantage. Okay. Someone had already warned him. Him. By seeing him, you have to observe carefully. Him changes to he. After coming to doer's position. Okay. He had been already warned. By someone is not required. Who gave warning to him? It doesn't matter. Who took warning? How he took warning? It is very important. Okay. He had been already warned. That's the most important. Okay. If you have understood all these rules, please make a note. Okay. These are very important rules. In the next topic, we are going to cover simple future along with models. Models, very important topic. Don't miss it. And stay tuned. If you have any doubt, please make a comment. Okay. Through your comment, so many members who are watching my videos, they are going to get awareness because of you. If you like my video, please share it to your friends. If you want some more information from me, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.